everybody, Mr. Mush here. So, for our clay project today, we're going to make ourselves celebrating New Year's by wearing a party hat and blowing a horn to bring in the new year, okay? So all you're going to need for this project is oil clay and clay tools if you got them. All right, so let's get to it. So, if you got peachy skin like me, I mix orange and white. If you don't have peachy skin like me, just find your color that you need. If you need to mix, I would suggest finding the color that's closest to your skin. Maybe add a little bit of white to lighten it, a little bit of black to darken it, okay? I just did orange and white, okay? So, I have my head ready to go. I rolled a ball, okay? And I'm going to put on my beard. Now, I don't expect a lot of you to have a beard. I've never met a, 7-year-old, 10-year-old with a beard. I have met one with a mustache, but not a beard, okay? And, all right, so I'm gonna put on my beard, just like this. Okay, and you know what? I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm gonna make my head kind of look like a jelly bean. I'm gonna smush it around a little bit. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. All right. All right. And then I'm gonna put the orange, because orange is my favorite color. I'm gonna kind of make like a little pinch pot and put my hat on my head. Now remember, you're making you, okay? So, if you just want to do a circle for your head and add the details, that's fine. I know I like to wear my hats, okay? Add what you want to wear, okay? Like if you wear a bow in your hair, put bows in your hair, okay? If you wear a hat like me, give yourself a hat, okay? Think about you. This is how I'm making me, okay? So make sure you think about how you want to be presented, okay? So, let's see, there's my hat. Okay, I'm gonna make the brim. Just gotta smush this down. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so there's my brim. I'm gonna put the little button on top. Okay, now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add just a little coil, because see how the skin color is blending in with the hat? I don't want that. Okay, so I want it to be a clean line, just like that. Okay, then I need a little bit for my nose, so I'm just gonna do like a little circle for my nose, like this. I think I gotta push this up a little bit. Okay. And then my eyes are going to be closed because we're blowing that horn really hard. So I'm just doing like little frowns or like the little lowercase letter N's for my eyes. Okay. So there you go. There's my hat. I need a little bit for my ears. Just like this. There we go. Looks good. I need a little bit of my hair color to attach it to my beard, like this. And then the back of my head. Just like this. Oh, I thought it jumped off. I'm just pressing it down. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit more Smush it down and get the back of my head, just like this. Okay. And I'm going to smush. There we go. All right. Now, I don't need a mouth because I'm going to make a horn. And I'm going to make my horn yellow, just like this. And I'm going to put it on my lips like this. Okay. You know what? I was gonna do like a little pinch pot, but I think it was too much. So I'm just rolling it to make like a little cone, a little indent like this. And then there you go. Got the horn, okay? All right, now, next step. I'm gonna make my body, okay? So I'm gonna wear my orange shirt, okay? I'm just gonna make it like a rectangle shape like this. Put my head on top, just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna take the blue. I'm gonna pinch out my legs like this. Just like this. And it helps you use your table or your placemat, wherever you're working, and to make it flat like that. And then I'm gonna give myself my pants, and I'm gonna make sure it lines up with my shirt, just like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna give myself some orange shoes. I'm just gonna roll up a little coil. It looks like a potato or jelly beans. Okay, so I'm giving myself orange shoes. Okay, and you can be as detailed as you want with your shoes. Maybe you want to put something on your shirt that you love. Maybe it says Happy New Year's. That's up to you. Okay, so there's my feet. Let's see, let's do the standing test. All right, good. Okay, next I'm gonna make my sleeves for my shirt. So I'm gonna make it kind of look like a little cup. Pinch it a little bit. And I already made this arm. I did a coil with a little ball on the end. Okay. And then I put that on just like this. I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to have my arm, this arm, holding up the horn like this. And then I'm gonna do the other arm and just show you what I did. Made a little coil, little ball of clay for the hand. Smush it together. Now you can be as detailed as you want. I'm keeping it relatively simple because I only have so much time to show you how to do the project. Okay. And let us know in the comments if you want to see like longer projects than just these quick 10-minute projects. All right, if you want to see something more detailed, okay? And then I stick the arm in the sleeve just like this. And then I'm gonna have my arm sticking up like that. Okay, and then there's one more thing that I wanna do. I wanna make a little party hat, okay? And if you watch the whole episode and watch our craft project, this hat might look familiar to you, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit of black and put yellow pom-poms on it. Well, they're not pom-poms, I'm making them, it's clay, but I'm making it look like the project that we made for our craft segment. Okay. And then I think I'll add one more. No, I lied. One more. There we go. And then stick it on top. You know what? I want it right there. And there you go. Mr. Mush is ready for the new year. All right. So please send in a picture to our email address below so that we can see how your clay version of yourself is celebrating the New Year's. I would love to see it. And or tag us on social media, either one, because I want to help you spread your artwork so everybody else can see it. All right, so please send those pictures in. All right, well, with that being said, we're going to head on over to the craft project. You might be not surprised because I kind of spoiled it for you, but I'll see you over there. Peace.